What the heck? Alright, so I'm here in my room. I just cleaned it up. It looks a lot better. I cleaned up my bathroom too. Some of the stuff you never want to do is clean bathrooms and your room. But that's what I did today. Makes me feel good. Makes me feel like I got some things accomplished and ready to move forward. But I wanted to talk about my mirror in my bathroom. This thing right here. Look at it. So on my mirror, I have all these things written on it all the time so I can remind myself of some of my brief little goals that I'm trying to get to in life. And that's important to remember what you're saying to yourself. Because some of the things that we always say to ourselves, we would never say to anybody else in this life. And we need to remember that we're trying to change the world and that you're worth it because there's potential in there. And wherever there's potential, we can spread and do the thing and play the game. And the game is love. That's what's on the mirror. The game is love. We're trying to give. We're trying to create something in this world. We're trying to not tear it down. We're trying to build it up. And we're trying to do it by helping each other. And the way that we know that this is right is because in the world there's destruction and there's creation. And it's obvious creation's winning. That's love because we're here. So we need to find that love in our heart. We need to find a way to go out and spread it and give it to everybody else. And that's everybody, because all we are is just the sum of the entire universe right here, right now. And that's power. That's potential. And wherever there's potential, the world can change. So that's all I got to say today. That's kind of a weird one, but I love you guys, and I know that we can change the world. I just need you guys to realize that you know that we can do it too. So like, share, subscribe, and follow. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Let's take the challenge. Let's build something great. So, Karma out. Love ya.